Hey guys, Skyforce95 here, and I'm going to be doing a review of a replacement Bluetooth Wi-Fi cable for the MacBook Pro, specifically the 13-inch model with the optical drive still. So this is the mid-2012 model, and I had already bought another replacement cable previously a couple months ago, and it didn't really work out for me, so I decided to check out if there was a better option. Hopefully it would fix my Wi-Fi issues. A lot of times it would just disconnect, or I would have trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi. So I decided to go for this a little bit more expensive one. This one's by Eathtek. I don't know why I didn't say Earthtech. I don't know if it's a typo or whatever, but anyway, it's Eathtek. And so it's just a standard little cable here that you get inside a really simple, narrow Ziploc bag. Something I did notice when I first got it is how glossy the material is. Here's just a quick comparison between the standard one that came with my MacBook Pro. You can see it's much more of a matte finish, and I would have preferred them to have put it in a more stiffer packaging. As you can see, it came actually a little bit bent. And after a further perusal comparison between this one and the one standard with the MacBook Pro, I noticed the labeling was actually opposite for whatever reason. And since I don't really know too much about electronic parts, unfortunately I don't really know which one was labeled correctly. I assume that this was mislabeled, but the port connectors are vastly different on the two ends, so I don't really think you could mess it up. But anyway, those little shortcomings aside, I have a professional installation to put it into my MacBook Pro because I just didn't want to really do it myself. But I can show you where it is located. So obviously you have to shut down your computer completely, make sure it's completely off, and then you go ahead and remove the bottom cover, unscrew those screws all around, and then right here is where the cable is. And just a little quick comparison again, now this is already installed, so this is what it looks like inside my MacBook Pro, and here is the standard Apple one that I have here in my hand. So it's been several months, if not at least half a year, since I've installed this in my MacBook, and at first it was kind of slow to adapt, if that made any sense. Like the Wi-Fi would take a really long time to connect, but then after a few weeks of, I guess, breaking it in or whatever, it actually started to work very consistently, and up to this point I really haven't had any more issues with my Wi-Fi signaling or connection, so that's really great. So all in all, I think that this is well done. It's a good cable, just that a little bit of a mislabeling possibly, and I would have preferred a better packaging, but other than that, I think it's definitely worth a look if you're looking for a replacement Wi-Fi Bluetooth cable for your MacBook Pro 13. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.